Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you easy way to enable File Explorer tabs and navigation panel. First you want to download and install new Windows 11 build 25136. And restart your computer. After restart, if the new File Explorer isn't came to your PC, next again restart your PC. And if it worked, you can see the new File Explorer on your PC. If that not worked, we have another way to enable it. It's worked on my PC. You can try that, and if it worked, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you later.